Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Carolina Moreno and in this moment I showed you one of the project with my person and the chemical team. Now, this project names is Vaccine So Health. Yes, it's a new future for our pets. Okay, this great vaccine help, but the street dogs and our furry ones at home, so their quality of life is impeccable. As you will know, we have two types of vaccine. The first one is the KF9 home. So, what is the idea? KF9 home, in which it contains small enzymes inside that gives a very strong protection layer to the DNA bonds, so that finally some antibodies or virus wants to bind to the vessels of it, dies instantly. Touch the protect layer and it will present diseases such as parvovirosis, rabies, feline HIV, and canceria. The second place is the KF9 street, and it helps to abandoned puppies and kittens to have better nutrition to be fertile, also having the structure to KF9 home to help sterilizations and give them enough nutrients to live well. So thank you very much. Bye bye.